The other night I did a trick called 21 card matrix, and I said it was a precursor to a trick called 21 cards for the 21st century. So I'm going to do that trick right now. If you want to go back, you can review the other trick. But we need 21 cards for this. So we'll start out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Don't need the rest of the deck. So we'll even give this a quick little shuffle. What we're going to do now is, unlike the other trick, we're going to start out, we're going to do pick a card, any card trick. So any card, we'll say that that's the card that we're going to use. And what we're going to do is have the spectator place it back down into the deck. Do a little cutting. And then what we're going to do here is, instead of laying out that matrix, I'm just going to go through the cards one at a time, showing those cards to the spectators. And I don't want you to indicate when you see your card, just note where it is and remember what your card was. So here we go. We'll start just like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pile number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pile number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's pile number 3. So now that we've got the 3 piles, I'm going to ask them which pile that they that their card is in. Now I don't know, so we'll just see how this plays out. I'll say that it's in pile number 1. So we'll pick up pile number 1 here, and we'll go like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pile and I'm going to wave it over the top of pile number 2, and I'm going to get one card to jump from pile number 1 to pile number 2. So now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Any of these cards your card? I'm going to assume the spectator says no. Get rid of those cards. Pick up pile number 2. Now, since we've had one card jump to pile number 2, how many cards should we have? We started with 7, so we should have 8 in here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing. I'm going to wave this pile over pile number 3, cast a shadow, and one card is going to jump into pile number 3. So here we go. We'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cards. Are any of these your card? No. We'll assume that. So now we're down to the last packet. One card should have jumped into this packet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 in this packet. So that card's in here someplace. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this card right here, and we're going to go ahead and say that this is just an indicator card. I'm going to put that card down just like that. Pass the pack over the top of this, and the spectator would be holding the card down, but pass the pack over the top of it. We're going to ask them, is their card in this at all? And when we flip that card over, this should be the card that was chosen.